Hello everyone, I welcome you all on Techie Insights. So today we're going to discuss some of the jobs for experienced person, and this is a place where you can find IT jobs, IT news, programming languages and much more. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. So let's start with our first job, that is from Hotstar. They are hiring senior software development engineer for Apple TV, and the apply button is given over here, and it is basically for the location Bengaluru, Karnataka. Role 1 is engineer iOS full-time role. So let's jump over to the details. Your key responsibilities will be, your role will be focused on improving, reworking and reimagining our mobile application to deliver a high performance system and highly engaging UI. You will be responsible for delivery of critical business modules. You will take ownership of end-to-end product quality. You will be a part of the team that leads prototypes. What to bring? You should be having bachelor's degree in computer science or related discipline preferred, expert level knowledge of iOS development including technologies like UI Kit, Core Animation, Auto Layout, Cocoa Touch. Excellent Swift and Objective-C coding ability along with strong CS and OS fundamentals. Ability to break down complex problems into simple, innovative and solutions that serve business needs. Knack for problem solving and the ability to work in ambiguity. Entrepreneurship spirit, bias and action and ability to work independently. These are their values, these are their perks. So if your skill matches the requirement, definitely apply for the job, and it is a completely experienced job. As you can see, it's for senior position. Now the next job is from Swiggy, software development engineer, and it is for Android. And the location is Bangalore. So moving on towards the job details, you can see over here you should be proficient on web fundamentals such as HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript basics, understanding of CSS pre-processing platforms such as Less, SAS, CSS, JS proficient, understanding of at least once of the UI framework via React, Angular 4 plus, Vue, Polymer, etc. Good understanding of ES6 and above. Experience with TypeScript is a plus. Understanding of web building tools like Webpacks, Race.js. So you should need all these skills in order to apply for this job, and if you have these skills you can go for this job, and they are giving very good package. They haven't mentioned, but Swiggy and these companies generally offers a very good package. So last job for experienced person is from Cognitive. They are hiring full stack developers, 100% remote. That means you need not to travel, and here is the apply button. Location is completely Hyderabad. So they are looking for full stack developer to join our very small and agile development team. You should be having the must skills that are HTML5, CS3, JavaScript, ES6, React, Redux, NPM, Node.js, Express, JSON, REST, web services, test-driven development, writing, running, unit test. Nice to have Google Cloud Platform, DevOps, CI/CD, serverless, Docker, Kubernetes, Cloud Lambda functions, NoSQL, Firebase, Cloud Firestone, etc. So here is the apply button, and it is again a very good opportunity, and if you are having these skills you can apply for this job. I used to come up with these kind of videos on a regular basis, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, share this video with maximum of your friends so that all will be getting benefited. I thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.